Hello, I'm coming to you from Orofino, Idaho on this brand new real estate listing. It is almost 4 acres. There are 2 homes on it currently. There's a potential for a third. There's already a great long-standing rental history on this property. I'm going to walk you through the main house and talk a little bit about it, so come along with me. All right, this is the main house. Quick walk through the living area. Nice big living room, really. Plenty of room for some furniture. You have the TV mounted up there on the wall. Dining area. That wood stove keeps this house plenty warm. I'm gonna walk into the kitchen. Have some really nice cabinets here. Plenty of counter space, and gives you a chance when you're working there at the sink to look out that window, and you're looking at some trees, and that's all your property there. That's part of the 3 acres, so you don't have to look at somebody else's house if you don't want to. This is the mudroom, pantry, storage space, the rest of the kitchen here. Now we're going to walk into the main bedroom. This is a pretty good sized bedroom. That is a king size bed. So it gives you kind of a reference of how much room you do have in here. Maybe a quick walk around, get to check out the closet there. Again, you know, I mentioned that there is a rental on this. We're not going to video it. There are renters in it currently, but it is a single wide trailer. It's got an extra roof over it, so you don't have water damage or anything like that. It's very livable. But the nice thing is it's providing them with quite a bit of income, and it really helps out with the mortgage here on this property. So if you're looking for a property where you can live in a pretty nice little house and have somebody else make your house payment for you, this is a great opportunity for you. We're going to come down the hallway, check out the laundry room real quick, and then it goes into the bath. It's actually a pretty roomy bathroom here. It's got a shower, tub, real nice. And so this is the main house. We're going to take you outside now. I'm going to show you around a All right, I'm down here at the pasture. We're looking up at the main house, and then the other house over there is the single wide trailer that they currently have rented out and have for quite a few years. And it's been a great source of income for the owners here. And then I also want you to take reference, pretty much right there in the center of your screen is a power pole, and there is a power box on that, a metered box, because there was a third home right there. There's also septic that's in the ground that was in good functioning order when they tore the house down. And we do have some documentations from the county that you are grandfathered here. There was 3 houses, and so if you buy this property and you want to put up another house, there is the ability to do that. It'd also be a great spot just to park an RV and have its own independent hookups there. We're going to scan over here, and this is the pasture area. Again, this is almost 4 acres. I think it's 395, so just shy of 4 acres. But we have all the fence posts in here. There is no wire on it, so there is a little bit more work to do, but want you to know we have all of that done. Looking back then there into the trees, beautiful backdrop. There is a creek back in there, and it is seasonal. It does dry up during the hot months, the August and September, but they say as soon as the water starts falling out of the sky, it fills right back up. So it's a real nice property. Again, if you'd like to come take a look at this, please give us a call. We'd love to bring you up here and show you around. Also, we want to let you know we're the only brokerage in this area that does real estate videos. And so if you find this to be a valuable resource, please subscribe while you're here on the channel. If this property isn't the one you're looking for, the next one I post might be. Thank you much, and we'll see you soon.